Imagine building a complete app from idea to live product just by talking. Sounds like magic, huh? Meet Rocket made this dream real. This is not just another drag and drop app builder. Rocket is a natural language first, production grade, front end to back end solution that lets you launch anything from a landing page to a fully featured news app in minutes. So what is Rocket? Rocket is the world's most advanced vibe coding platform. You just describe your idea. Rocket generates fully functional, beautifully designed apps. No menus, no components. Just speak or type your vision. This is perfect for solopreneurs, SaaS founders, product managers, or development agencies. Use cases include landing pages, internal tools, AI-powered news apps, dashboards, and more. So let's look at a real use case, AI newsletter landing page. So the creator builds a landing page for the AI Guide newsletter in seconds. It uses a plain language prompt, dark theme, blue-green accent, and logo placement. It instantly generates a responsive design, animations, layout, and copy. Don't like some sections? Just say what you want different. Rocket removes them in real time. It adds your logo to the header and tweaks the text using a visual natural language editor. It fine-tunes margins, fonts, and spacing. No code needed. So this is really coding free. So what if you wanted to build a news app? You can say something like, create me a personalized AI news app with Google Gemini integration. It'll pull stories from multiple sources, for example, the BBC, The Verge, whatever. It includes filters by source for topic, read, tracking, and floating AI summary button. Summaries are generated in real time, in this case using Gemini. The summaries are in bullet point format. For the creator, it can give a fully customized feed, a login screen, news dashboard, and settings. It's powered by Superbase for account creation and database management. This is all built inside Rocket in a few minutes. So what are some of the features of Rocket? Publish instantly to a live link or on your own domain. It has built-in back-end integration with Stripe, databases, user authentication. It just works. You can share your app with your team or the world. Customize everything down to the smallest detail with visual or text prompts. You can edit with natural language or manual tools. It's really your choice. So this is much more than just no code. It's next-gen AI-powered creation. You can use this whether you're a maker, a marketer, or a founder. Rocket lets you go from zero to app fast, build your dream, and launch it today. So vibe coding is advancing super fast. 6 months ago, you still had to do coding. Now, nothing. Just spoken language. It's really unbelievable what's happening. And it keeps improving month over month. So be sure to check out Rocket information below. Also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And finally, please support us on Patreon. We need your financial support to continue to grow the channel and bring you breaking AI news, but more importantly, relating it to how this can affect your work. And for non-technical creators or people working in marketing or people starting a company, this app is a godsend. So this will empower you to bring your brand to market fast. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Take care.